Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm on board of the Zontes GK350, and this is basically the first model with this new engine that they are releasing this year that will be available, and it's already here in my channel, and I do have the privilege of being one of the first ones to ride it. Basically, what's gonna happen with Zontes, it's all those 310 engines or models, I mean, that come with the 310 engine will be released with this new 350 engine, which basically means you have a little bit more power, a little bit more torque, and makes the riding much more interesting. Of course, there are minor improvements like suspensions and minor details that makes also the riding better. At the moment, this is the first one. This is not an upgrade. This model didn't exist before, so I cannot compare it to the previous model. But when I have the 300, the T's and the V's and all those other models, maybe I will do the comparisons between both of them. But for now, we're going to talk about this one and the experience that I've been having with it. This is my second day with it, and I've been enjoying it very much. It's a really interesting upgrade by Zontes. The quality, it's the same as in the previous models. All these levers, all these touches here, all the quality here in the materials, it's top notch. Okay, basically for me it's simply the best. Not even the higher brands have this quality materials, and they do last. Okay, we do have the other models. Everything lasts, everything is good, and I like it. It's a Zontes, and it keeps up with the quality of a Zontes motorcycle. We do have this screen here, again TFT screen with all the information that you need, a clock, the RPMs, the riding modes, Eco and Sport, the speed, the gear indicator, fuel level, the engine temperature. You have the odometer, the trip, a range, and if you press this button here it says modes. You can change from tire pressure and temperature, which is interesting on these models, average consumption, average speed, average consumption, and back to the range. So it is a complete dashboard. You can configure between, I think it's 4 or 5 different dashboards, but with this button set here, I can only do that with the motorcycle stopped, and I will do that while you're on the specification of the motorcycle. I will show you all the options that you have on the dashboard. The light LEDs, everything works fine. The mirrors, okay, round mirrors. It goes along with the cafe racer look here on the end of the handlebars. It's not something that I like very much. Since this is a one cylinder, there is a little bit vibration, and when you are going a little bit faster, you definitely notice the vibration in the mirrors. I know it's a car coming, but it has too much ghost, so it is here, but I would probably change for the traditional mirrors where you have the mounts here. Maybe, I don't know. It's up to you if you want to keep the style or change it a little bit. But they are here, they work, and they have good visibility. Well, not good visibility, they have 90% visibility, which is good if I commute at these speeds, but a little bit faster, it's not the most perfect thing. We do have protections here on the handlebar. We have the mushrooms here to protect in case you fall, which is nice. Then here on the handlebar, all the levers have adjustments and a really nice touch. Passing lights, high beams, low beams, hazard lights, blinkers left and right, and a horn. Here you have a button that says set and a button that says mode. Basically it's for you to work inside of the menu. I will show you later. On the other side, fuel seat. Basically this model is keyless, so I have the key on my pocket, and I can open the fuel cap, open the seat only when the motorcycle is stopped. While I'm riding, it does not open anything. Okay, the motorcycle has to be stopped. I'm pressing it, it's not opening. It's a safety measure, but it is keyless, and I like that. It keeps up with the other models. Kill switch, the riding modes Eco and Sport, which are there. Okay, this is the lights for the For the handlebar, it's backlighted, so this moment it's on. I can put it off. It's a reddish color light to give you a little bit better look. And the starter of the motorcycle. This red button, basically it's the button to connect and disconnect and lock the steering of the motorcycle. Basically that's it. The first thing you do, press this button to start to open the dashboard and everything, and then you press this one with the lever to start the motorcycle. Basically that's it. Other things, maneuverability. It's super light motorcycle, my friends. It feels like I'm riding the 125 cc's. Even my wife yesterday when she arrived at the garage, she asked me if this is a 125. I said no, it's a 350 and you cannot ride it. Because if it was a 125 she could ride it, but since it's a 350 she cannot ride it. It is maneuverable, very light, to park in the garage, no problems. It's compact, and like I said, I've rode 125s that are bigger than this 350. Okay, just let's say it like this. But of course they did not have this engine, which makes all the difference. Again, mix between scrambler and cafe racer, so it's a naked motorcycle. At speeds at 100 and 100, 110, I feel comfortable riding it. More than that, I have to struggle against the wind and all that stuff, and I don't like it. It can reach speeds on the house of 120, 130, and a little bit more if you want. Okay, I'm gonna show you a little bit just now. Okay, until now I'm fine, but like this, a little bit more. Now I'm starting to struggle with the wind, and as you can see, it's still going. I'm 144, and now I'm gonna stop. I just wanted to show you that you can go 150, 160 if you crouch down a little bit and all that stuff, which is not the point of my channel, just to show you that you have enough engine if you want to go a little bit faster. That's the only thing. That's why I push the motorcycle, just to give you that demonstration, so you don't think this is slow. It's a 350. No, it's 350 with enough horsepower. I think it's 40 horsepower, a nice torque, and it's very pleasant to ride the motorcycle. I can honestly say that. The riding position is good. My legs are well fitted against the tank. The gearbox, it's superb, it's amazing. It looks like butter. The seat, it is wide enough. It could be a little bit more comfortable for me, but then again, I'm a picky guy and I'm used to comfortable seats. That's why I'm kind of complaining. Just that for the average user, I think it will be more than enough, and it is a really good solution for the everyday commute. Even for traveling, of course, you can do it. Like I said, it's a naked. If you are up to take all the wind in your face, it's okay. You take the wind, but you take it with style, because the motorcycle, it's really beautiful, and it's the graphics are well placed and gives it a really nice look. Another thing, the suspensions, they are okay. I've been trying, like I said, if you guys follow my reviews, these roads that I ride, they are not very bumpy roads, but I try to follow or to hit the most bumps as possible, and the suspensions are doing the job. The brakes, of course, they have a really nice power. They are amazing brakes. I do like the brakes on this motorcycle. Let me just try to exit here. If no one comes, we will try the brakes here on this road. Let me see. There's no one coming here. No, okay. In 3, 2, 1, stop. And there we go. Really nice. Again, no one coming behind, so we give it a little. Okay, 70 kilometers an hour. I need to stop. ABS, everything working, and shifting gears down. So like I said, they do work. They are nice. I like them, and it's a really well balanced motorcycle. and it is for the price. There is nothing in the market again with this quality at these prices, and that's what makes Zontes grow, at least here in my country, growing really well. The final thing I want to mention, it's the riding modes, where we do have Eco and Sport, and I can honestly say you notice a slight difference on the throttle when you are on Sport mode, but on top speeds and the feel of the bike, there is no big difference, like if you are riding a 600 cc's or a 1000 or 1200 or something, or big motorcycles like that, where the sports modes, they do make, or the riding modes, they do make a difference. Here, yes, you do feel a little bit, but nothing I can say it's extraordinary. They are here, they exist, and they do work. But if there was only one mode, I don't think I would miss having the riding mode. That's basically what I wanted to tell you, to demonstrate it, but I have to tell you that they are here. And now that we've seen everything of the motorcycle on the road, we're gonna take a look at the specs. Okay guys, I found this spot and I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about the GK 350. Again, mix between Scrambler and and I do like the way it looks. It's not my cup of tea, but it's a very interesting motorcycle. It's gonna be available in three colors: black, gold, silver, orange and black blue. Personally, this one, it doesn't stand out as much as the silver orange, which gives it a more a different look. It's people look more for the other one, where everything is LED, turn signals and the headlights, this round headlight, everything is really beautiful. It is written here, Zontes on the front, really nice. Upside down suspension with 43 millimeters diameter, one disc 320 millimeters with clippers from JG1 with 4 pistons, ABS from Bosch, dual channel, and the rims are 17 inches rims, spoke rims with CST tires, tubeless, dimensions 120/70. Looking at the rear of the motorcycle, we're gonna start with the opening for the fuel and the seat. Everything is electronic. The tail light and turn signals, again, LED. Rear shock absorber with high pressure nitrogen. One disc 265 millimeters, clippers from Zontes with 1 piston. The swing arm, it's built with aluminium. We do have a really nice exhaust, and we do have again the same 17 inches spoke rims with the CST tubeless tires, in this case the dimensions 160/60. The engine, like I said, it's a brand new engine from this brand. This is the first model. It's a 1-cylinder, liquid cooled, 4-stroke, 348 cc that has 39.44 horsepower at 9,500, 32.8 newtons at 7,550. It's a 6-speed, it comes with a 6-speed gearbox, and of course we are talking about an engine that it is Euro 5 compliant. And since I'm sitting here on the motorcycle, seat height 795 millimeters, so everyone will reach the floor without any problems. Ground clearance 170 millimeters. Again, this is not designed for going off-road, it's more to stay on tarmac and for your daily commutes. 17 liters capacity fuel tank, which is good. With this you should have around 450, maybe a little bit more range with this beautiful motorcycle. And the total weight of this motorcycle is 171 kilograms. Again, it looks like a 125, but it is a 350. Regarding the handlebar and all these buttons, I already talked to you while I was riding. I didn't show you the functions on the dashboard, and that's what I'm going to do now. And for that, I'm going to need to connect the motorcycle. Now we just have to wait for the dashboard to come on. Zontes, and we have this interface. It's one of the 4 interfaces that we have, and for that we're going to press set, and the first option there, it's interface. We do set again, and we have 4 options: casual, race, street, and simple. So we're going to select simple now, and as you can see, the interface has changed. All the information is here, but with a different look. Go back again. We can change for another one, just to show you. Let's choose race now, and no, street. Let's choose the street, and this is another one. So you have 4 of them between. You can change between the 4 of them. Then we do have the clock to set the clock, backlight to set the backlight. We have 5 levels or automatic. So I'm going to leave it in level 5, always bright, like this. Back units, kilometers an hour or miles. Then the language is in English. Bluetooth to connect to your mobile phone, so you have information on the dashboard. Easy Connected, it's an application they do have, but it doesn't work at least here in Europe. TPMS, it's basically the information of the tire pressure and the temperature of the tires. Okay, exit, and then information where you have the versions and all that information about the software and the dashboard. And the final option, it's exit. And this is it that I had to show you about the GK350 from Zontes. I hope that you like this review and presentation of this model. If you did, you know what to do. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!